Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to use the avatar feature to react to someone's WhatsApp status. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to the Updates section where you can view your contact's status updates. Step 3. Tap on someone's status to view it. Step 4. To react to the status, swipe up or tap on the Reply option. Step 5. Tap on the picture of your avatar, which represents you. Step 6. Select and tap a sticker from the available options. As soon as you tap it, the sticker will be sent as your reaction. By following these simple steps, you can use the avatar feature to express your reaction to someone's WhatsApp status. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. Express yourself with the avatar feature and react to your contact's status updates on WhatsApp. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy reacting.